Good morning, guys. So, snow again. Oh my god, that's a lot of snow right now, guys. This morning, before I start work, they don't have snow. So, I've heard the news that they have snow, but just only mild snow. But this is not mild. Look at this, guys. All the trees are colorful now, color white. Now we're driving going home, guys. So surround us was full of snow. Well, the snow was beautiful. I like the snow, but I don't like the very cold, guys. It's really cold. So this is my first time I encounter the snow because I'm from California and they don't have snow in there. So my body was still adapt the climate here, guys. I'm wearing now four kind of shirts, four kind of jacket. So guys, look at this, guys. It's beautiful, guys. Very nice the snow, but I don't like the cold. It's very very cold, guys. Maganda lang yung snow sa iniisip natin, pero pag nandyan na, oh my god, it's a lot of work. Especially in your driveway, you have to flow that one, get it out of your sight, because if you don't do that, you cannot drive. So look at this, guys. They give you a lot of work of the snow. Snow was nice, but a lot of work, and it's very very cold. There you go, guys. There are also people enjoy the snow, guys, because the kids, they make the snowman. They're doing like ice skating. You can go also skate. There's a lot of doing of also about the snow, but no, me no, I don't like it.
This
It's
kind
very
of snow
cold,
you can
guys.
make.
So we're heading now going to the lake, guys. So we'll see what's the lake right now, guys. So at the other side, guys, that's the lake, frozen lake, guys. But I will not go out of the. I don't want to go out the car because outside is very cold. It's not raining, guys. It's just snow. The road is wet because it's a lot of salt. Salt help the snows not stay. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go enjoy the snow. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys.